Sunrise greets the morning with golden light. Colors blaze in trees so bright. Harvest Baptist gathers close for the fall festival we love the most. Pumpkins line the entrance in a row. Children's laughter starts to flow. Apple bobbing and he rides fun. Leaves crunch beneath feet one by one. Celebrate the season, friends gather near. Autumn leaves in joyful cheer. Harvest Baptist in full swing. Festival delights the songs we sing. Corn mazes twist and turn, can't find the end. Hot cider shared with old and new friends. Games of chance and treats so sweet. Knocking on doors for just one more treat. Celebrate the season, friends gather near. Autumn leaves in joyful cheer. Harvest Baptist in full swing. Festival delights the songs we sing. Crisp air fills the lungs so clear and cool. Painted faces smiling all through school. Banners in the breeze wave high underneath an autumn sky. So clear and cool. Painted faces smiling all through school. Banners in the breeze wave high underneath an autumn sky. The lungs so clear and cool. Painted faces smiling all through school. Banners in the breeze wave high underneath an autumn sky.
Kids running wild, it's getting late. Hot dogs grilling on the old barbecue. Laughter floats like leaves in the blue. Autumn joy at Harvest Baptist. Living free and living happiest. Games and cheers and all the thrills. Cornhole contests and hearty meals. Parents chat on the blanket spread.
festival at Harvest Baptist Church. Kids playing and having fun, grown-ups laughing and eating hot dogs. Pastor challenging people to a cornhole game in a bright, spirited tone. Festival at Harvest Baptist Church. Kids playing and having fun, grown-ups laughing and eating hot dogs. Pastor challenging people to a cornhole game in a bright, spirited tone. Festival at Harvest Baptist Church. Kids playing and having fun, grown-ups laughing and eating hot